Guys, alright, I've got some explaining to do. In my second last video, I did a rain test ride review and check over sort of thing. I said I was thinking about getting one, and it's only like a week later and I just got my own one. Now, I did do a review on the other one and I ran through all the specs and everything, so on this one, it's pretty much the same, but I'm going to run over some of the personal things that like stickers, bars, a few of the other things that I've done to set it up. I haven't even ridden it yet. I'm literally planning on going on a ride to Castle Hill in like 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna run you through the specs on my new bike, and I'm pretty keen to shred out in the trails now, so let's get into it. So starting from the top, I've got my Renthal Fat Bar carbons on there. They are 780mm wide with a 20mm rise. Now the other thing that I've done is I've also put on some ODI Elite Motion grips on there too, so these feel really good in combination with the carbon bars. Moving on down, got my black marsh guard on there, and got the 36. Haven't actually set up my suspension yet, so I'm going to do that on this ride now. As for my decals, I've got my Luke Radley sticker on the frame there. I think that looks pretty cool, nice little touch. I also had some of my all mountain style camo frame skin left, so I put the arrows up on the top there. I think they look pretty cool. And I also put another little bit just behind there to stop rocks flicking up. Another really cool add-on is that SRAM sticker in there. That's actually the same colour as my Anthem. One of the customers from Giant Ashgrove gave that to me. Another sticker down there in the chainstay. My last sort of customization thing has been those crank boots and then the new XT trail pedals. I've got to have crank boots on there, stops you getting your cranks scratched up, and they look pretty cool as well. And yeah, the trail pedals, got to have new pedals with every bike, so I think they're pretty cool as well. Alrighty guys, so yeah, I'm so stoked on this. I haven't even ridden it yet, so you can see the tyres are pretty much brand new. Well, they are brand new, so I'm actually going out to Castle Hill right now with one of my mates from work, so we're going to go ride. I'm going to dial in my suspension and pressures and do a few little mods to it, but I think it's pretty dialed already. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of it in the comments. Let me know what you think of all my stickers and the way that I've set it up and the carbon fat bars and everything. Pretty stoked on it, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed my little bike check sort of thing. Let's go for a ride. This is so good.
That mean we're like punching trees? Or?
Nah, mob means mob. Mob means mobbing. No, you can't explain
You've
mob.
You've defined that word very, very well.
You can't explain mob.
What you mean by it.
Sick. Oh, that was like a full 360.